So look at what Claude built for me. The new Claude one that's come out. Can't remember what it's called now. Not the Mythos one. Well, it's a Mythos model. Fable 5. I asked it to build me a website for my KDP stuff. And look what it's done. All there. This is just a link up to the YouTube site. It's linked to Pinterest. You'll just go there. Look at that. Straight there. Not got no views on them. Excellent. Oh, I've got 5 views on that one. Great. So what I want to show you is this little app here. AutoImage. Let's get into it. So I built an app. I've had this app. I'll just show you quickly. AutoImage. I built it about 3 weeks ago, and since the new Claude Fable 5 has come out, it's actually fixed it, and it fixed it in a heartbeat. It now takes images and everything else. But let me just go through what was frustrating me. Obviously, Google's just updated. It's got some new stuff. So I'll just show you how long it takes to make a prompt. We'll just do this one here. And we'll just make it. And just look, it takes forever. Now, I want to make movies, make images for my KDP business and all that stuff. And I don't want to be sat here hour after hour just looking at videos, looking at prompts when it's done. So let's have a quick look at that. It's made a prompt, great stuff, happy days. So it's done that. So first thing we need to do when we're using AutoFlow, we need to make sure we're going to settings. Let me just zoom in there for you. Obviously that's not working today. Great. We're going to settings. We'll make sure we're on image. I was on 3.4 there because I was doing stuff for KDP. So this one, we'll make sure we're on 16:9 because we're going to make a movie. You can set how many you want. I'm just going to leave it at 1. I'm going to leave it at Nana Banana 2, but you can set it at anything. It doesn't matter. You can have it on Pro or whatever, however you feel. And then all we're going to do is upload a file to AutoImage. It's a text file. And you can use it ChatGPT, not ChatGPT, you can use it Codex, Anti-Gravity, whatever coding system you're using. It's just a text file. And it will work because it's a Chrome extension in Mac as well as Windows. So that's a key feature. And let's just crack on. Okay, so I just want to show you the text file that it is. It's just a text file that you go in and you can see it's got The Last Lighthouse, cinematic short film storyboard demo for the AutoFlow image, character lock by repeating the exact same description in every prompt, flow settings, Nano Banana, 16.5, 16:9, 1 image per prompt. Gives you the scene. That's basically telling Flow what to do, because if you don't put the settings, it will automatically do the settings as instructed in the JSON prompt. So then we've got scene number 1, prompt, a weathered 6-year-old lighthouse keeper, and it's keeping the same weathered 6-year-old lighthouse keeper. So it should be photorealistic, so it should be the same guy through each prompt. So what do we do and how do we load it? So we'll just come out of there. We're going to our auto loader. You choose what file you've got. Let me just find out what file it is. Okay, we've got the file. It's movie demo scenes. As it says here, it's got 8 scenes in it up there. And all we simply do is press start and watch the magic happen. As you can see now, it's making the first image. That'll take a few seconds to go. I won't give you all the agony of it going through everything all at the same time. But I just want you to see that it auto does it. So there you go. It's gone on to the auto next image. So we've got the guy in the lighthouse. This reminds me when Flow first came out. It was the same guy, wasn't it? Claude not being very creative. Also, you can see it's just downloaded image 1. that's going into a folder that's called movie demo scenes, and it'll be labeled image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, etc, etc. And there you go. And there's the consistency, because the prompt is consistent, so we've got the same guy. I'll come back to when it's done all right. You don't need to see every image generated. Okay, they've all downloaded. As you can see, it's in AutoImage, movie demo scenes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 scenes, all in order. So we'll just open one, nicely downloaded, then go up, same character. So now you can just put whatever prompt you want in for your story. That's just one, just showing you how to do that. Next, I'll show you how to do it with colouring book type scenarios. Okay, one of the reasons I made this, I wanted it to do it, was for the KDP side of it. So I'm going to do a quick demo again, just making an image for the KDP side of it. But for the KDP, we need to change the sizes. So I would say it's 3x4. We'll do that sizes for it, just because it's easy for the system then to break it down. So I'm going to have to reload this, I think. Yeah. So I'm going to reload it. I've got colouring book scenes. Open it up. I've got 8 scenes. I'm not even sure what the colouring book is. I haven't even looked. Let's see what happens. Again, it's doing it automatically. See it at the top left, producing it. What I'll do is, I'll let you see it reproduce the first one and crack on like normal, but I'm not going to show you this all the time because it'll be a waste of a video. And there you go, it goes to the next one. What I will do is I'll stop the video and start it back up when it's finished. Okay, stop now. So there you can see. Let's just open it up for you can see some of the colouring books here. So it's a basic, cosy, easy, bold and easy colouring book. And AI's got so good now, it very rarely makes mistakes. Doesn't have 6 arms and 5 legs. As you can see there, perfect for a children's colouring book. Obviously, you have to get it done by KDP standards and have it formulated into a PDF. Fortunately, I have the operating system with Claude to do that. So if you want that, you'd have to join the school community for that one. And then it does it. All this is done automatically. Let me just show you. So show me what I'll show you what it made earlier. Can't get me words out. So obviously it made a website for my KDP colouring books, and all these were done by Flow. Let's just take you to, let's go to Amazon and have a quick look at one. They're all online now. So if we do a quick sample of it, you can see the quality that you can create with simple prompts. And all I did with this was Claude did 99% of the work. I just listed them on Amazon. Let me come back out of there. So it shows you what you can do with this app. The next video, I'll do the video side of it where we'll use Omni and we'll use VO3 and we'll show you how you can make movies with storyboards, movies with characters, all on autopilot. So I look forward to seeing you on that video. Please share, like, and if you want to get it, join the school. If not, get Claude to make it for you. Simple extension, ask Claude to make it and it'll probably do it. Might cost you a lot of tokens, might take you an hour or two. How much is your time worth? Thanks for watching.